Guys, so I want to talk about one thing about the Walmart Creator Program. First of all, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, Treasure Takara. And so here's the one thing I want to share with you. It's absolutely easy to get in. Okay, so here are the first steps that you need to do when you are logging into or creating a Walmart account. So as you can see, I have a computer here, and you also can have a phone as well too. So I'm going to log in, and you guys are going to see a screenshot right above, right next to me. So I'm going to type in Google. Yep, so google.com. All right. Okay. And then when you get to Google, and I often find that people have a hard time finding how to log into the creator program or how to start, I say go to google.com, because what you're going to do now is type in Walmart Creator. Okay. So when you see the very first thing that pops up, it'll say Walmart Creator at the very top. Then it's going to say log in to Walmart Creator and then apply now. So what you're going to do, you're going to select apply now. Okay. All right. Now, for those who do not have any social media accounts, you're going to want to create at least either a YouTube or a TikTok, Snapchat, or any other, or LinkedIn or any other social media account. I personally prefer to do the TikTok. All right. So what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down, and you're going to see the apply now. So you should see you should see something that says for the creator in you. Okay. All right. So you're going to click apply now. And then what you're going to do, you're going to type in the email address. So when you're typing in your email address, just make sure, you type it correctly. Okay. So after you type in that email address, you're going to press continue. All right. So then it's going to, you can have that two options here. You have the option of sending an email me a verification code, which I put in another email address, or you can do a password. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a password real quick. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna press sign in. Oh, well, if that doesn't work, you're gonna email me verification code. Okay. All right, so I'm going to log into one of my other email accounts. Okay, so I'm going to go to my email account. I'm going to find that verification code. Okay, all right, I'm going to pop it in. Okay, so, all right, so pretty much I'm not going to go too far from here, but I want to verbally tell you what's going to happen next. So after you put in your verification code, right, you're going to then get to another page that tells you, hey, you got your email verification code, you're all set, and pretty much, okay, and then it's going to prompt you to then go basically set up your page and stuff like that. It may go over a couple other things as well. Click sign in. All right, so this is where it gets really interesting. So you're going to, of course, enter your date of birth, your city, location, and you're going to accept the terms. And then, you know what, I'm going to scroll over to where you may be able to see this here. You should be able to see this at this point. Oh, it won't be able to see, it won't let you see it. Darn it. All right, I guess I have to enter the city. Okay, let me see here. I'm going to go back. Get to the part where it goes to accept your terms and stuff like that. You'll be able to do that. Now, one thing that I must note, okay, when you are setting up your storefront, okay, you want to make sure that you are looking for products that are either trending or products that you personally like. Personally, with my channel that I have here and also on TikTok, I personally like to promote products that I really enjoy, and also I see that the products that are really trending for that season. So say for example, we're in the holiday season, so you want to try to promote products such as certain home decor products, Christmas products, Christmas trees, anything like that. And also one other thing too, Now, Walmart, the creator program, they do have really cool special promotions that happens around the holiday season. So whether it be Christmas, Thanksgiving, more than likely Valentine's Day, because that's a big day as well too. You'll be able to, locate and find your products. Okay. All right. To actually put products onto your page, what you're going to do is simply, what you're going to do is simply go to products, and then that's where you can put in the search engine what type of products you're looking for. Now, if you really have like no idea what products you want to see and stuff like that, you can also go to like scroll down, and Walmart should have a section. It will have a section that say trending products or something like that when you go to your main home page. Okay. And so I want to go into how do you connect Walmart products, and how do you do collections and stuff like that. Okay. All right. So let me scroll over to the left here so I can, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, y'all. So what you're going to do, okay, is go to your product page, right? And then say, for example, if I want to, I don't know, look for like a lamp like that, right? So I would type in here lamps, okay? And typically I like to promote products that have like a 5-star review, because here's the thing, when your customers go to your storefront, you want to make sure that they are promoting, that they are seeing products that either have been reviewed. It's just going to reassure them that, hey, maybe this product is something that I actually want to buy. So I'm going to click on this one here. I'm actually might be promoting this. This is pretty cute here. Okay. So this is okay. So I clicked on the product. So this is the summary floor lamp. Okay. So you see here how we have the product right in front of us. So I'm going to see here that one, it's a bestseller. So here's how I'm going to connect it to my Walmart storefront. You're going to click that plus sign on the top right hand corner. Okay, so click it only one time, and then here you can see here it says add to collections. So you can actually create your own type of collection. So you can either put it in private mode, or you can put it into like public mode, where it will be shown to your storefront no matter who clicks on your actual Walmart storefront page. But to start off here, you want to create new collection. And if you want to name this, say for example, home decor furniture, or fabulous cheap lamps at Walmart or something like that, or fabulous high quality lamps, you can name it that collection here. I'm just going to just put something in the search engine there, okay, in the collection thing. All right, so after you do that, right, so you have your collection. Now, when you initially first add your first product to your collection, you're going to notice that when you actually start your collection and you click the plus sign for that product is automatically going to be inside of that collection. Now, to add more products to the same collection, say for example, we're here at the the lamp section. So say for example, if I want to add another summary lamp, I would simply click the plus sign, and then now we have other options to put, or other collections to put our lamps in. So say for example, I had already started a collection. I'm going to put click that one collection there. You're going to see a check mark. That check mark will verify that, hey, this is where you are actually going to put your product at. So you're going to click save. Okay. So after you click save, you're going to wait for it to load. And just now it has saved. So when you guys are promoting your products and your links, like say for example, a YouTube video, you can put a link in there. What you're going to do is simply copy that link, and here's how you copy the link, so that way you're able to get the commission sales. You're going to click copy. You're going to wait on this page. Now, I would suggest that when you are doing any editing and stuff like that, or as far as with your collections and stuff for your Walmart storefront, that you actually do it on the desktop computer. I find it a lot easier to see the products and stuff like that. And it's really simple. Okay, so you click the link, and then whatever video, whatever like picture link on Pinterest or whatever you want to connect this link to, you then are able to do that. Now, here's the thing too. If you want to have people look at your whole Walmart collection or whatever, or for that particular lamp, now you see how it was under private collection, right? So if I go to, let's see here. If I go to manage collections, right, on the basic Walmart storefront creator page, you're going to see here that there are some tabs to the right that's either highlighted in blue or blacked out in gray. Now, if the toggle or the tab on the right side, where it's underneath the right hand side where it says show on storefront, if that is highlighted in blue, that is basically saying that your storefront is now being shown. Okay, so you want to make sure, if you do want to show this collection to any of your viewers, that you right click one time so that people can see your storefront link. Now, this is very easy, very simple. It's not too crazy. Now, there's one thing that I am going to do in my upcoming videos. I'm going to show you, how the whole flow goes when adding more collections as well too. There may be other people that may be stuck on how to add more collections, how to create new collections and stuff like that, or how to find certain products. I can go into further detail with that, but I do want to offer a free guide to people who are watching this video. It's my Walmart creator guide. If you are interested and you do feel like I'm providing value for this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also, if you want to get the Walmart creator guide and you need something more detailed, please make sure you click the link in the below. It's right there, and it's really there to help you, honestly. So other than that, thank you for tuning in. My name is Treasure Takara. Deuces.
Going round after round after round. Make me make that sound.